In this video, I'm going to show you 10 Fiverr gigs that requires no skills, no knowledge, and even a complete beginner can do. I'm Jay Roberts. This is Make Money with Video. Welcome. Now, this is my channel, Make Money with Video, and I upload different videos showing you different ways to make money online, preferably with video because that's what I like doing. I like being geeky. I'm the geeky dad. Yeah. And yeah, so if you want to come over and check it out, feel free. And let's get into this video, guys. I will put you on the bigger screen because you don't want to see my ugly mug. And let's get into it. Now, these are just ones, yeah. So Christmas video, yeah. Random, I know, we're only in March, but look, they're easy, guys. They're just simple videos, yeah. Lots of people like to buy them leading up to Christmas, and it's just like wishing them Merry Christmas, basically. And this basically like takes a few different. That's quite cool, by the way. Love Superman. Yeah, and they're just Christmas videos. Yeah. Now the next one, guys. YouTube end screen. Lots of people love to make money on YouTube. They love different end screens. Look, all these different people are making them, right? Yeah. 739 people charging different prices, 15 quid, 379. Like this, because it's English, guys, like normally that's $5, yeah. And look, there's different ones, guys, different prices. So you can set the prices whatever you want. Now another one, next one, number 3 is logos, logo videos. Lots of people need logos. You've got businesses, you've got like people on YouTube who want the logos and that. You've got people on Twitch who need logos. Yeah. So again, sorry, lots of people are asking for them. Yeah, over 1,000 people. Different prices. So that's number 3. Number 4 is like your local businesses, like your dentists, your doctors, plumbers. Yeah, things like that, guys. You can type them in here. These are different videos. And like, I mean, dentists ain't getting many videos, but they're still selling. Look, everyone still seems to be making, apart from them, making at least a sale. Yeah. So that's like local business. That's number 4. Number 5 is the intros. So we did like the outros. We've done logos. Now these are intros. Yeah, pretty much similar, but again, lots of people like these. Yeah, you're getting quite a lot. These prices, yeah, some high ones, some low ones. Number 6 is, sorry guys, is like your restaurants, food. Yeah, people love food, people love restaurants and takeaway stuff like that. So you can make videos for them. I know it kind of comes under the, well, it does come under the local businesses, but there's lots of food videos, yeah, guys. You can even make videos where they're making food. Teaching recipes and stuff like that, guys. Number 7, guys, is video ads. Yeah, these are popular. These, the prices of these are a lot higher. That seem to be a lot higher. Look, 169. Yeah, 112, 63. These are good, guys. These are good. These are good, and I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you how to make all these. Yeah, like I said, no skills, no knowledge. Complete beginners can do this, guys. So stay with me, guys. Let's go back to it. So number 8, yeah, I believe so, is birthday videos. So we've had Christmas videos. Yeah, you can make birthday videos, and a lot of them like just simple videos, guys. And I'll show you how to make all these. Don't worry. Number 9 is listicle. And you might think of what a listicle is, but listicle is like it's a video what gives a list of like the top 5 awesome views in the world, 5 surprising health benefits. Shark one, it looks like. Yeah, simple ways you can boost your energy, boost your body and energy boost. Yeah, and it's just things like that. So these are called a listicle. Now another one is called text to video. These are very popular as well, guys. different prices. If you look at these are like where this text, and these are just text with stock video or stock photo in the background. Now you can make these yourself, guys, and it might you can make it yourself if you want, if you've got some skills, if you've got the knowledge, and you're not really a beginner. But if you don't want to do that, because I did promise you don't need any skills or any knowledge, this is an app called InVideo, guys. Yes, and look, these are called text to video. Now I will leave a link in the description for this. Look, these make those. These have got all these different templates for the list text to video, guys, and you can choose any of these, and all you do is copy and paste into it, and then there's your video. But if you come over to the main page, no, 1 minute, sorry, go on to the pre-made templates. It's got over 4,000 templates. It's got over 50 themes for your text to video, yeah, and then you've also got blank canvas where you can edit and create videos yourself. You don't need that, guys, because you don't want to be creative and all that, do you guys? You just want it easy. Yeah, I understand. I don't blame you. Now, if I get rid of that, just have it from the beginning, you will see they've got lots of different ones. What's trending? Yeah, you've got dental ad. So there's your ad. You've got your dental already. You got your ad. Yeah, you got your sports promos. So you can do promo videos as well, guys. Now look, you've got so many different ones. Logos. Well, like I said to you guys, you've got your logos. Yeah. You've got your video ads, like I said. You've got slideshows you can do, business presentations, invites, and wishes. All these, guys, is what you can put on as your gigs. So I've given you 10, and all them 10 I've given you, all you do is you come here where it says search, and you're just searching every single one of them I'll give you, and you can make templates for it. You don't have to create them. They're already created for you. Yeah, you just upload them to Fiverr, and away you go. Yeah. Then if you want to get even extra special, right, you can put in another gig called business presentations. So there's number 11. You got invites and wishes. There's number 12. Offers and discounts. There's number 13, and it goes on and on, guys. Yeah, this is how you can make money. So that is 10, unless you count the bonuses as well. This is 10 Fiverr gigs, yeah, that you can create. You don't need no skills because you've already got the templates made for you, yeah. And then when they order it, all you do is drag and drop their logo onto it, and the video's done for them, guys. Yeah, and complete beginners can do it. InVideo has done all the work for you. All you're doing is uploading it to Fiverr so people can see it. And then you don't even have to do it on Fiverr. You can upload it to your Facebook page and ask people do they need a logo. You can upload it to. You can go into Facebook groups and talk to people. Yeah, there's lots of ways you can do it. But because we're talking about Fiverr, I'm just showing you Fiverr. But if you start being creative, yeah, you can find other ways to use InVideo. Yeah, if you want to find other ways for InVideo, check on my channel, guys. I've made quite a few videos recently about it. And that is it, my friends. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up because it helps the video. Comment below if you like this idea. And yeah, guys, that is it, guys. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel because it helps the channel and I need the subscribers. So thanks very much for watching, guys. I'm Jay Roberts, the Geeky Dad. This is Make Money with Video. Until next